Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging at Productronica India, Day 2. And I'm sitting here with Atul, who is the Managing Director of Dixon. And they are one of the very fast growing companies within our business sector. So, sir, first easy question. Tell us about Dixon.
Dixon is the largest Indian EMS company. We were founded back in '93 in a very humble way. We started manufacturing color televisions, CRT televisions in a rented factory, just 4 of us with a very small capital of barely $50,000. And we started manufacturing televisions for LG. That time it used to be Lucky Gold Star, for exports from India to Europe. But we have come a long way, and today we are in 9 product categories. And in all these product categories, we are the largest. Our main growth has happened in the last 7 years since we got listed in 2017. When we got listed, our revenues were $300 million. And in 24-25, in all probability, we're going to close at almost $4 to $4.5 billion. So that's 12x in 7 years. We have grown from 1,500 people to 30,000 people. We have 23 plants. We are the largest manufacturer of smartphones, televisions, lighting, refrigerators, security surveillance systems, laptops in India. And we are both on the ODM business model and also the prescriptive business model. In ODM, we offer our own design solutions. And these are mainly in the categories of televisions, refrigerators, lighting and washing machine, in which we are the largest. Our largest trigger of growth is the smartphones, wherein again we are the largest EMS in the country. And now the next trigger of growth is going to be IT. So this is the journey, but let me assure you the journey has just begun. And the opportunity in India, in the Indian EMS space is mammoth, and we're going to pursue it very aggressively.
Yeah, that's a huge accolade for your growth. And obviously you're looking, I guess, at a lot of companies are at the semiconductor industry also now to further fuel your growth. And I know you were at some meetings this morning about this, so perhaps you could share your thoughts after the meeting with us.
So today we had the CEO forum, and I also happen to be the president of ELCINA. ELCINA is the Electronic Components Industries Association, which is a 67-year-old association with more than 350 industry members. So we had a panel discussion in the CEO forum in collaboration with MMI, and we had the industry leaders participating from all the stakeholders. We also had some very senior government officers. So the deliberation was that how the component ecosystem can be set up in India. What can the industry do? What can the government do jointly? And how in these components, India can become a part of the global value chain. The vision is that from today's $100 billion, this industry by 2030 should reach almost $500 billion. And for that to happen, we need a very, very robust component ecosystem, which is presently $15 billion. We again want to take it up to almost 8 to 9x. So the whole deliberation was around that. And it was a very, very intellectually stimulating deliberation. And what the government senior officer shared with us, we're very hopeful and optimistic that the government's policy framework is going to be hugely supportive of this initiative.
Wow, that's definitely big news. So thank you for sharing. And yeah, it's a great thing. For me, it's the enthusiasm that everybody has about the growth in India, both for market in India and also for, effectively taking on all the big players and becoming a global player in their own right.
Absolutely. So we feel that these are exciting times for all of us, but we have to put in a lot of work. It's not a simple journey. There are many, many challenges, and we have to work our way, and we have to work forward in a very collaborative kind of way.
Yep, I have to say the future is definitely great, and thank you for sharing what you did with us, sir.
Thank you
and
so much.
I want to wish you success because I know it will come.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. really.
That's Keith Bryant for Global S&T and Packaging on day 2 of Productronica India, signing out.